Hello guys, we use smartphone Wiko T10. This version 2GB memory and 64GB Intel memory. Okay. In complementation we have adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay. Close this. Now talk about device. Device made of plastic, camera and LED on the back side. On the front side 6.5-inch display. On this side slot for tuner SIM card and microSD card for memory. On this side power key and alarm keys. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay. Display HD IPS 6.5. Android we have Open Geekbench 5, we have Android 11, CPU MediaTek MT6761, look results, single core score and multi-core score, close this and look into the benchmark results. Okay, close this. Open the mother game Guitar San Andreas on the max graphic level, look how this game works on the device. Okay, game works good, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.